guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's collab is going to be with Julia Hair. They were nice enough to send me their 360 12-inch human hair unit in the texture body wave. Now at this point, we're going to go straight into the unboxing. As soon as you open the box, you're going to see the unit is all safe and secure in that bag, sis, in that plastic bag, of course. And then it comes with a couple goodies, which is always a plus. It comes with a pair of lashes, a pair of eyelashes, and then what I found very unique was it came with a headscarf. So I thought that was very cute. And then, of course, it's business cards with the information about the company as well as the social media links. Now getting into the actual review of the wig, after taking it out the plastic bag, I am now taking out the stuffing and the hairnet, and we're going to go ahead and examine the unit itself. Now getting straight into the construction of this unit. Again, this is a 360 unit. I absolutely love the fact that it has a lot of parting space. That's always a plus with units. It does have it has 3 combs total, so it has 2 on the sides and 1 in the back with adjustable straps. In regards to where exactly it lay, I can't really tell you because I am examining it by my hand and I can't really feel where it lays until I actually have the unit on. But again, the construction of the unit is actually really cute. It does have lace in the back if you want to wear it up in a ponytail. So excuse me, now we're going to examine the lace. So getting right into the first impression of the lace, I love this lace. Look how flawless it looks. I didn't even get a chance to bleach it. And you know what? Sometimes I don't even like to take the extra step in bleaching the units. I want to be able to actually wear it straight out the box. So I love what I'm seeing right now. I love the life that this wig is giving me, you know, the bounce from the body wave. Excuse me, I'm so sorry I did not mention that it also comes pre-plucked with baby hairs, sis. So yes, this unit is giving me life. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off this unit, apply it to my head, and I'll come right back.
1 week later.
Okay guys, so we are back again and this is a new day, so work with me. This hair I eventually ended up customizing by bleaching the front, and I just wanted to mainly give it more of a test to see how well it does when bleaching, and this bleaches very well. This unit definitely bleaches very well. Again, this is the 360 lace frontal in 14 inches. And yeah, anything else that I'm missing on this unit, please look in the description box below. Again, this is from Julia Hair, and stay tuned for my next upload, which will be this week. Don't forget to like and comment on this video, and if you're new, definitely don't forget to subscribe to your girl so you know when I drop that next video. Okay, until next time, later.